Welcome back, all the designers and crafters. Welcome back to Crafting with Pre-Designs Silhouette Studio Edition. This file here, this design, this file, I have it on my website, and I showed you in Canva, in a video in Canva. You can find a video here on the channel, or you can look at the description. I will put it in the description below how you edit this. It's a drag and drop file, how you edit it and how you can put your name in it. I show you everything in there, and I also show you how to download it. Okay, now I downloaded it in here, and I'm using Silhouette Studio to cut it. But I use this in the free version. If you have Canva Pro, you will be able to download it with transparent background. If you have a free version, you can download it with the background. But I'll show you in Silhouette Studio, if you have Designer Edition, how you can go about it to cut it. I did it already, but I'm gonna do it again. Okay, I have it here. It is small, but the actual size is 8.5 here and 11 here, and my media here is 8.5 by 11. I go here to the page setup, and I have my media size here, 8.5 by 11. You can find it on the drop down menu right here, and this is it. Okay, now the thing I'm going to do, I'll keep it selected, and I'll lock it right here. And for the height, I know it should be 11, just like my page here. I'll put 11 and I'll hit enter. It should be 11. Come on, 11. I don't know why the extra is coming on. Okay, I should have 11. It should fit in here. Okay. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is go to the trace panel, and I'll use this one. Look, since all my image here, the outline is a darker color than white, I will be able to trace by color. And when I trace, I will trace the white and cut it off. Okay, trace by color. I'll select here, and I'll drop it over here, and you see it will trace it for me. And I will, it's 2%, but I will increase. Let's go in here, but I'll increase the tolerance a little bit, so that the yellow can eat in, like go in a little bit into the green, so that I don't have any white on there. You see, 7%. Okay, I think 7% is good. And then I will trace and detach the white on the other side, on this one. You see, and then I can remove it, and then I'll delete it. Let me see. And then I have this. I have a whole the whole thing, the real deal. Okay, now I will select it, and I will select this here, and it will bring it to me. It will bring it for me on the page. It will center it, and then I'll go to my page, and I have it here. Okay, now I can make it a little bit smaller. So you need to decide how big you want your thing to be, your fan, how long you want it to be. Let's say we have it on 8. It's up to you how big you want it to be. Okay, and then I have my page here, and I'll go to page setup again, and I'll go to registration marks, select on. Okay, and I have it here. Okay, I have it in within this border, this red border. If you don't see this red border, please go back here, and here show cut border. You see the red cut border. Your image may not be like this. The cut border may not overlap your image, or it should always be in a safe place. Okay, in this case, we don't have to change the cut border. We don't have to make it bigger and all that, because this is already safe in here. Okay, now we're going to add the cut lines around it, and that's easy to do. You go to send. You need to keep it selected. Okay, keep this selected, go to send, and here is when you don't want to cut it, no cut. Here is when you want to cut, but I love to cut edge. If you want, you can try it with this one too. Most of the time, yeah, you can try it with this one too, but I will keep it on here. So now I have my cut settings. Okay, with you need to decide what material you will be using to print your fan on and to cut it. Okay, for this cardstock I use braided 5, force 25, speed 5, and passes 2. Go 2 times around it. Okay, and I'll show you something else really quick. Let's go. I will open another document, and then I will come back here and I will copy this. Okay, copy. This is for the backing. If you want to put a backing for your fan, like this is the front, and we will make a backing for it. To make a backing, you right click and you flip it horizontally, and after you flip it horizontally, you just come here and you color it and it becomes black, and you put it here. And this part, you don't need registration marks for it. You just cut it out on paper. If you want to cut it out blue, on blue cardstock, on black cardstock, on white, on yellow, it's up to you. But when I cut mine, I'll show you how to apply it. So this one, for this one you surely need these registration marks, and for the other one you don't, because this one here is just on paper. You can cut it on paper, whatever, on the page, but this one has a special place. Okay, and to print it, let's say I would print it. You see, when I print it, I will have these left. These will come with the paper. They will come on your paper, and you need them because the machine doesn't see this. The cutter doesn't see your picture. Only the printer does. The cutter will see this here and this here and this down here. Okay. One more thing. Let's say we save this. Let's save this. Save. We'll save it as a SVG. Grad backing SVG. I'll save it as a studio. Okay, I'll save it as a studio, and then I will exit out. Okay, I will turn everything off. Okay, I want only this to be here. I hear that when you have too many files open, the system fail to read your registration marks properly. So I've turned them all off. I exit them all out. So maybe you can try that if you want to. It's just an advice that I give, recommendation. You don't have to follow it, but if you think it will help, you can do it. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to print this and cut the backing. Let's go to. Make sure it's always you apply it, you align it really well with the mat. This corner should be right here. It's an 8.5 by 11 inch paper, so this here should be on 11. Okay, I'm going to attach it with some tape. Okay, now we're going to cut it. Okay, make sure to insert it really well. There's a line here. Your mat should be on top of the line a little bit, and you see the rollers here. Your mat should be under the roller here and under the other one here. And now we will load it. It's reading the registration marks. And here we have it. Okay, let's do the back. Okay, with my glue gun, I'm going to add glue. I'm going to add glue to my popsicle stick. Okay, and then I'm going to eyeball the middle, like around here, and I will press it and hold it for it to dry. It will dry. Okay, we are getting there. And this is the backing that I told you I would do, that I was showing you. And that's what we're going to apply on here. But for this, I'm going to use Elmer's glue. Add some glue. Not too much because I don't want it to be really wet. No, no, no. And then I'm gonna place my backing bit by bit, like align it really well. Align it. Okay. And streak my hand over it so that the ink can spread. Not the ink, the glue can spread. Don't forget you need to add some ink for the stick too. And leave it until it's dry. Oh, I use this color because I ran out of like better colors. I had this one yesterday, so this is one I made already, and this is the one of today. Align it really well. You see this one, I aligned it really well, and this is good for graduation celebration. Like I said, the file is available on my website, and you can customize the file in Canva free version. When you order the file, you will be able to drag and drop your pictures in it, and you will be able to customize, to put your name, to change the name on here, and the name will come with everything, with this font and with the outline of the font too, and you can put it in different colors. These on here, the stroke around it, the outline, you can change the colors also, and everything is in there. So thank you so much for watching. So this is how I did mine. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.